Sa video ito, samahan nyo kaming muli sa bago naming paglalakbay papuntang Batangas. Let's go! Tayo dito sa So good evening guys, today is anong date tayo? Anong date tayo ngayon? June 11 Huwebes. Bibiyahe tayo ng Batangas. Tara. Ayan o.
Hello vlog.
Ayan pa yung isa. So tatlong sakyan tayo. Hinihintay natin yung isa. Malilate na naman yung isa. Palaging late. Nakapag-gas ka na kuya?
Oh, full tank.
Oh, full tank yung sa kanya oh. Full tank. Doon sa Kalatagan,
Di ba
maghanap
ka
na
ng bike seat tayo?
Pwede kung hindi mahanap yung kalatagan, kapatagan.
Kalatagan. Okay, waiting sa isang sakyan. Na? Okay, take off na tayo.
Okay, bandang dances.
Ito pala yung lagay sa loob. Jitsi di may sulog yung kilop.
DIR? Di pa, Verona. Di nalpas dan sa Malumang. Agir to na diyan yung makita.
Nakahina yung iba. Humihina. Ayan.
Tasek na siya.
Itong mga to,
Ano yung status nila?
status status dead. Tulog na sila oh. Sino to? Naglalaway pa yung oh. Si Pirot.
Asan si Maria?
Ayun si Pirot to.
Ay, mamaya. Asan si
Ayun
mamaya?
si Mamaya oh.
Ayun si
Tulog na
mamaya.
tulog si Mamaya. Shout out kay Mamaya. Nakagising na.
Day by day we push away, never stop, we find our way, move so fast we make it last. Whoa, 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 yeah, whoa, yeah. Feel the rhythm, let it flow, in the breeze where the palm trees grow, sunshine high, waves so low, island vibes, let your troubles go. From the mountains to the sea, a place where the heart runs free. Feel the love, feel the unity, in this land of sweet harmony. Feel the rhythm, let it flow, in the breeze where the palm trees grow, sunshine high, waves so low, island vibes, let your troubles go. Feel the rhythm, let it flow, in the breeze where the palm trees grow, sunshine high, waves so low, island vibes, let your troubles go.
So ayun nga guys, habang naglilibot tayo dito sa dagat, may nakita tayo na magse-celebrate ng kanyang birthday girl. Ito si... Anong pangalan mo, ma'am?
Camille.
Camille. Camille Otaza. Happy birthday sa'yo, Camille Otaza. Ayan po siya, oh. Oh, saan ka pa?
Huwag naman. Baliktad.
Ay, salamat tayo.
Nandun na kanina eh.
Napili niya dito mag-birthday. Gusto daw niya ng beach birthday. Kasi nung nag-wedding siya, nung kinasal siya, ano lang siya eh, garden wedding. Ngayon naman, beach birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo, Camille Otaza ng Tarlac City.
The tide is turning. The day is brand new. Got a fire burning just for me and you. So when you're down now, here I come. Want you to know now where I'm from. I want you to see, yeah, that the good vibes are free. Just be here with me now. Just be here with me now under this big tree. When the moon is rising and stars fill the sky, there's no compromising the look in your eyes. So when you're down now, here I come. Want you to know now where I'm from. I want you to see, yeah, that the good vibes are free. Just be here with me now. Just be here with me now, and let your heart sing. When the long day is over, the work is all done, I'll be your four-leaf clover, your place in the sun. Yeah, I'm your shelter from the pouring rain, here to ease your pain. So to the rescue, here I am. Want you to know, just if you can, rescue. No, 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 no. Oh, we feel the rhythm, and we let it all go. We feel the rhythm, we feel the rhythm, we feel the rhythm. Yeah, we're putting on a show. I want you to see that the good vibes are free. Just be here with me now. Just be here with me now under this big tree. Monday morning, Scooby-Doo, 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 Wednesday grooving, Scooby-Doo. So to the rescue, to the rescue. All right, let's go out, 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 out.
Good evening guys, dito ko natatapusin ang daming day 1 dito sa Calatagan, Batangas. Medyo pagod na kami, maaga pa naman, alas 7 pa lang ng gabi. Magpapahinga na kami, tignan mo yung status namin dito. Sulit naman dito, maganda. Kaya lang pag low tide, nasa bandang dulo pa yung dagat. Muli, once again, this is Boss Ron na nag-iwan sa inyo ng pa-like, follow, share na lang muna at pa-subscribe pala ako sa aking bagong YouTube channel na Ronnie Maninang. Once again, this is Boss Ron na nag-iwan sa inyo ng ciao!